you?
Hi, Mommy. How are you?
I'm good. Are you having a good time?
I'm having a lovely time. I saw a French man that he wasn't riding a bicycle or holding an onion, so I threw dollars at him until he did.
A French man?
Yeah.
Where are you? I thought you were under the sea.
Oh my God, did Daddy not tell you? I'm in Paris.
Oh God.
Mom?
That's wonderful, darling. I'll speak to you later.
Okay, well, go show
take
me
care.
soon, okay? Bye.
Okay, bye.
Anything the matter, darling?
Well, yes, my daughter's in Paris. Here.
Well, it's wonderful, isn't it?
Not really. I was supposed to be working back home. I didn't want to take her on holiday with me.
Flashback. This is more awkward than that time that I thought I was a pogo stick. Come on, jump on!